Hello everyone and welcome to a quick tutorial. I'm going to show you how to show your iPhone battery percentage there in the status bar at the top on your iPhone. So here we go. Go ahead and go to settings, which is the gear icon there on your phone, or you can just search for settings if it's not on your home screen, and then just scroll down to where you see battery. It's the green icon with the battery logo in the middle. And now we're going to see an option that says battery percentage where we can enable or disable at the top. If it's disabled, it'll just show the normal battery with the fill bar there. But if we tap it and enable it, it will actually show us the percentage in which the battery is charged. If we tap on low power mode, it'll actually show that in an orangish yellow color, kind of easier to see if it's in low power mode. But I'm going to go ahead and check that off. That's really all up to you in regards to kind of how you want that to look. And now this is only available for iPhone 10 or later, and you have to have iOS 16 installed. This is something they removed a couple of versions back, but have now put it back into the iOS. And you can also now add the actual battery percentage on your lock screen. And if you want to know how to do that and how to customize your lock screen, I'll link my video showing you how to do that down below. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.